Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can extract all the text from an image in Microsoft Windows 11. You don't need any software, no third-party software or no external software is required to do this thing. So let's see how we can do this. How we can extract all the text or some part of the text from an image. So let's see. So this is one of the sample image. You can see this is a PNG and this is an image. I want to extract all text from here, and to do this thing we will use one of the software which Microsoft already provides in their Windows 11. So I'm going to click Start menu and then start typing snipping tool, SNIP. If we type starting like snip, then you'll find snipping tool is there. This is an application, very tiny application. We just need to click it and the snipping tool application will be opened. Now here are a couple of tabs are there or options are there. At first we need to understand which part of the image we want to extract the text. Then we have to come new. I just press new and then we have to select the text or the portion from where we extract the text, and it will be highlighted like this way. Once I highlight it, then I am going to release the mouse and then it will be like this inside it. Sometimes you will get this type of warning. Just press got it, it will be gone. Now it will be the snipping tool, and here if we increase the size of this window, basically snipping tool window, we'll see like this. Now here are the text which I just copied, right? We took as a clip. Now here is the fun part. We need to extract all the text, right? So in snipping tool, that means here on the top you'll find couple of menu items is there, a small icon and some text is there. But our plan was to extract the text. To extract the text, we have to come to this tool. This is called text actions. So this is like OCR type of tool. We just need this tool only from the snipping tool. Just click only one and you will see a box is appeared and it is blinking, and very shortly it will highlighted like this. That means it is able to understand which is text and what is the text. Now you can select all text or you can copy particular portion of the text. Like if you want to select this text, it will be selected only that text. Okay. Or if you want to copy enter text, you can click copy all text. So I'm going to choose copy all text. So the text will be copied. Now let's check whether this text is really copied or not. I'm going to open my Gmail because I'm thinking to send this thing to other person, or if I want to copy that text to and save it to Notepad, I can also use Notepad also, but I'm going to do it easily. So this is the compose, and here just right click and then choose paste, and you will see all text has been copied from there. See, this is the text. If we increase the size, we'll see all text are there, and this was the image, right? So this is the image and this is the text basically. So see here it is able to copy everything like dice, article talk, and from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, and from there to down everything it is able to copy. And that's it guys. It's very simple and easy. We just need to use the snipping tool to extract all the text. Hopefully by watching this video you will be able to extract text from the image file in Microsoft Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching the video.